dito naman tayo. So we'll evaluate it. So, di ba remember, this is name question mark. Ito to. Lagyan natin color. Yan, name question mark. O now, looking at it, ano yung mali sa kanya? Itong error na to, it's a divide by zero error. How do I know it's a divide by zero error? Yung meron, if you click on a cell na merong error, lalabas tong yellow triangle. Click nyo yan. Tapos ito yun, yan, yung description, divide by zero error. Diba? In the math world kasi, you cannot divide by zero. If you divide by zero, you're dividing it with nothing. Diba? Yan. Kaya siya nag-error. Now, instead of, so pag nakita kayo na ganyan, ibig sabihin, we need to correct this. Itong dalawa na to na zero. Kailangan lagyan natin siya ng number. So let's say, gawin natin 0.75. 0.75. So tama na. Diba? Okay. Andun pa rin yung...
What if wala ka naman talagang i-divide?
But what if wala? O sige. O dun muna tayo. Mamaya balikan natin tong name. What if wala kasi talaga siyang presyo? O libre na lang siya. Okay? So, meron pa rin tayong ganitong error. Bakit? Kasi nga, yung computation natin is amount divided by price.
Yeah.
Now, an option for us is to display something else. Okay? Like this. So, ang gagamitin natin dito is ayan. So, is error. Basically, what we're saying is if there is indeed an error, okay, sorry, if error pala, ayan. If error, okay, kapag may error, dun sa computation na yan, ano yung gusto natin palabasin? Let's say, please check the price. Yan. Okay? Enter. Click, drag. Yan. So, instead na lumabas yung error na divide by zero, ang lumalabas, please check the price. Okay? Yan. So, this is a good reminder, but it's only a good reminder if meron talaga or hindi talaga siya pwede mag-zero. Okay? Kasi yan, please check price. Actually, pwede rin naman, no? Even if there's a, well, kung tama, pag may number siya, kahit anong number dyan, it will automatically compute. Magkakaroon lang naman siya ng error kapag zero. Yan, divide by zero. Or basically, if there is any other errors there, instead na lumabas yung error, ang lalabas, please check the price. Okay? Yan. Like this one, if I add it here, instead of an error na name, pwede natin palabasin, please check price. Okay? Pero hindi yon kasi yung problem. Okay? So I hope that helps out ulit so that you can see. So instead na diretsong L3 divided by M3, meron kang equal sign if error. And again, you can always go to insert function. Yan, para makita nyo kung ano yung sabihin ng mga box na yan. Okay? Yung ano yung gusto yung palabasin. Now, balik na tayo dito. Bakit name pa rin yung lumalabas? Eh what if, ito, binago na natin, di ba? 1. 1. So, may buong number na siya. So, all of these are correct now. Meron na siyang computing against. Pero bakit name pa rin yung lumalabas dito?
Dapat sulang.
Dapat?
Sum.
Sum. Tignan natin. Enter. Bakit sulang siya? Okay. If you remember yesterday, remember si Tito Vic and Joey? Nagkaroon siya ng error. Actually, hindi pa yon. Si Tito Vic and Joey is another sample yun. Yung Carlo, remember? Tinanggal natin yung Carlo na name. Nagkaroon tayo ng name na error. So bakit? Kasi Excel is now looking for, uy, ano yung Carlong pinagsasabi mo dyan? Eh, hindi naman siya named range. Diba? Kaya nagkaroon ng name na error. So, whenever you have a name error, ibig sabihin, you just need to check kung ano nga yung nasa formula. How is it typed in if everything is spelled out correctly. So, posible na meron kang misspelled na range, na named range, or yung function mo mismo, mali yung spelling. Siyempre, hindi siya lalabas sa spell check kasi formula yun eh. Okay? Hindi naman siya yung data lang na nandun sa cell. Okay? So you have to be very, very parang observant sa mga ganyan. So parang sabi nga ni Lynette, di ba? O bakit sulang yung nakalagay doon? So definitely, magkakaroon siya ng error. Now, so aside from everything that we said, another thing that works for me, okay, is just to start over. Kunyari, kanina pa yung error na yan, hindi mo figure out. Delete nyo siya, ulitin nyo kung ano yung gusto nyo gawin. Okay, like this one. Diba? O ano yung shortcut key ng AutoSum natin? Shortcut
Yan po
key
dito
for auto. Actually, remember, hindi nyo naman kailangan hanapin kung saan nyo siya tinype. Kailangan nyo lang makita kung nasan siya dun sa Excel. How do you see the shortcut key?
Equal sign.
Alt equal sign. That is correct. Also, di ba dun sa home tab, if you put your mouse on top of AutoSum, lalabas yung shortcut key. Okay? Yan. So, Alt equals enter. Oops. Alt equals enter. There you go. But what I want to show you is putting a password on your file na lang muna. Para rin malaman niyo kung paano nag-work yung mga protection. Di ba? Yung mga hindi nyo ma-add kasi protected siya or may password. So, one of the fastest ways you can do that, again, napakita ko na kanina, no? File, info, protect workbook. Tapos, encrypt with password. Okay? Now, guys, just be very, very careful with this. Bakit? Kapag nawala yung password, babay na rin sa file. Okay? It will require a professional hacker to get your file back. So, pag nakakalimutan nyo kung ano yung password doon, wala na. Okay? Ayan. Encrypt the contents. So, ano yung password na gusto nyong ilagay? Now, so hindi ko siya gagawin, okay? I just wanted to show you how to do that. If you want to protect the sheet naman, yung kanina, yung parang yung sinabi ni Rox, no? Right-click, protect sheet. Yan. So, ito naman siya. So, basically, there are 3 layers. Okay? Yung file, which is the workbook, the sheet, and also the cell. Paano nyo ipoprotect yung cell? Right-click the cell that you want to protect. Okay? Tapos go to Format Cells, Protection. Yan. Yung option na hidden, yung option na hidden, if you put a password on the sheet, okay, ibig sabihin dapat, protected yung file. Kapag hidden siya, ibig sabihin hindi makikita ng mga tao yung formula. Ibig sabihin naka-hide yung formula. Kahit na i-double click nila F2, hindi lalabas yung formula just like how we can see it right now. Unless i-unprotect nyo yung cell. And by unprotecting the cell, you are unprotecting the sheet as well. Okay? Open up a blank sheet, just like what I'm doing right now. Let me show a different screen as well. Ayan. So open up a new sheet, a new file rather. Tapos I'll show you how we can activate that yung track changes. Okay? So here's what we're going to do. Click File. So again, in the Backstage view, right? File. Go to Options. And then Customize Ribbon. Okay? Now from here, the first thing that we need to do is click Review. Review. Tapos click New Group. Okay? Yung new group, rename it. Rename. Okay? So, for this, na yung akin, so I'm gonna delete this lang para malinis. So, for me, I renamed it Tracking. Okay? Once you're done with that, click on this drop down, yung choose commands from. Tapos click all commands. Sorry, medyo mahaba yung steps eh. After you click all commands, scroll down to track changes. Look for track changes. Legacy. Yan. Okay. Pag nakita niyo na yung track changes legacy, click. So make sure na nasa tracking kayo, yung ginawa nating group kanina. Click track changes and then click add. Now, on my screen, wala akong option to add because it's already there. But you should already have that. Okay. Once you've done that, press OK. I'm gonna cancel for now. And then to check if gumana siya yung ginawa natin, go to review. And then this should be available na. Yeah. So Rox, you are representing Jen and Elenette's faces right now. So, okay ba sa'yo? Lumabas ba sa'yo? You're okay. So there. So that is what we call tracking, part of auditing and, of course, customizing the ribbon. Okay. We'll go to pivot table naman. Okay. So diretso na tayo. Go to pivot table 1. Okay. Now, di ba when you create a report in Excel, di ba when you create charts, you already have it in mind kung ano yung magiging itsura niya. Di ba? In pivot, mas importante yung ganon. Na makita nyo na kung ano yung gusto nyo mangyari. Okay? So, like this one. We want to summarize it kunyari, right? We want to see kung sino yung mas mataas ang revenue, si firm A or si firm B ba. Okay? Now, to start the process, you go to insert and then click pivot table. Now, if you click anywhere within the table, tapos you click insert, tapos pivot table, automatic, again, just like what we were doing sa table kanina, i-highlight niya yung buo. And then from there, you have the option to put it in a new sheet or existing sheet. What I like to do is I like to put my pivot table right beside the table that I am summarizing. So ganyan, dito ko siya ilalagay, G2. Okay. When you're done with that, click OK. And then we should have the same window now. Okay, now dun sa right, you have the pivot table fields. We're currently in the pivot table analyze. To the right, you have pivot table fields. Yung fields na yan, yun yung mga headers natin. Ito, dito sa umpisa sa taas. Okay, that's our headers. And yung nasa baba yung importante. Filter, just like how we would usually filter stuff. Okay, yung rows, or if you want to put it in columns, pwede na naman. And yung values. Now, again, sabi natin, we want to compare firm A and firm B. Now, usually, what we would do is this. Click and drag the word company, yung headers ng company, into rows. Okay, so magkakaroon kayo ng ganyan. Okay. Pareho tayong screen. Firm A and firm B. Again, put it in there, under rows. And then, yung revenue naman, you click and drag it dun sa values. Okay. Yan. So, we have a summary, diba, of the total of firm A and total of firm B. So, diba, from here, mas madali siyang intindihin. Remember what we were doing dun sa subtotal? Do you guys remember that? Yung subtotal? Okay. So, we can also do this. Pero, from what we did, mas madali siyang i-manipulate. Okay? Mas madali ka mag-generate ng report, ng summary. O, like this pa. What if gusto kong malaman yung 2020 performance versus 2021 performance ng firm A and ng firm B? Okay? So, yung year naman, okay, year, I'll drag it down below company dun sa rows. So, ganyan ang magiging result natin. We are now comparing the 2020 performance versus 2021 ni firm A. Ganon din kay firm B. Okay?